This is the Ashtray in first generation Sequoia and Tundra vehicles. Pretty useless, right? Well, today I want to show you guys the new phone holder replacement that I made for these ashtrays and just exactly how to install it. It's really easy, so let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is take out the OEM ashtray. Just press down on the silver part and it slides right out. From there you need to take the front cover off. That can be taken off by loosening these two screws on the front, and you want to save these screws for later. So take your little screwdriver and go ahead and loosen those. After those are off, you can just pop the cover off by lifting the little tab over the two clips. Now here's where the part that I designed comes in. It uses the front cover off of the ashtray to keep an OEM Plus type look and help everything fit snug and secure. All you have to do is line up the tabs on the top, there's already little grooves for them, and then secure the tabs on the bottom by pushing them over the notches. At this point you use the pre-made holes to insert a long screwdriver, which gives you the vantage point to tighten the screws on the cover. These screws help secure everything tightly back in place. The last step is to install the rubber grip pad with the adhesive bottom, which helps give everything a super clean and finished look. The best way to do this is probably to remove only the front part first. This helps line everything up a lot easier and it prevents the back part from sticking when you're trying to get everything just right. This pad was cut with a 1 to 2 millimeter offset, so you want it very close to the edge but not quite on it in order for everything to fit correctly. So I'm just lining it up the best I can and then I press it down. And at this point it's stuck, so I pull the back out and then I can remove the rest of the adhesive. And since the front part's already stuck into place, it helps the rest of the pad line up perfectly. And now that the rubber pad is secure, we're ready to go put this thing in our first gen. To install, just line the top rails of the phone holder up with where the ashtray used to be, and it slides right to the back and fits snugly. That thing's not going anywhere. So in just a few minutes, we've turned something that was pretty much useless into a practical, handy upgrade that both looks good and performs well. Let me know what you think of this upgrade and what I should make next.